Good morning. My name is Daniel Mackay from Mobile User Experience, and today I'd like to talk to you about the MSS app. This is a stationery app, basically app for a stationery store where you can search and browse and purchase different stationery items. This app will be developed for users who need stationery on a regular basis. For example, school teachers, a mom who's getting her kids ready for school after summer vacation, and so on. All right, and let's start. Let's take a look at how the app will work and function, and how it looks. Now, in the home screen, there will be these four buttons of Find a Store, My Account, and Browse, and Recommended. Now, I should put the Browse and Recommended buttons towards the bottom, so it'll be easier to reach with your thumb if you're using one hand to hold your cell phone. All right, let's take a look at the Browse page. Now in the browse page, you'll see there's a back button and a logout button. These buttons are different colored from regular static text, as you can see. Right, all data a search field which is white. All data entry fields are white. A select filter, which is a drop-down menu. All drop-down menus are this green color here. And you can see a category. This is a scrollable category. You can select that, and all blue buttons, all bordered buttons are blue like this. Right, so let's say you want to type in a search, a search for pens at with a price range of $1 to $5, and you click the stationery category. All right, you'll see when clicking the price range filter, you will see two small other text fields come up, and they will ask you two small text will come up. They'll ask you to enter the number price range. Now, if you enter a letter by accident, they will say please numbers. Error message will come up and say please numbers only. Alright, so let's click. So when you type in your pens and you choose the search filter, let's say $1 to $5 in stationery, you click go, and this is what will come up. Right, you will see the same buttons at the top here. Now this will have a My Card button. Right, you will have pens. You have pens displayed in your search box. You'll have the price and the filter and the selected range displayed in your filter box as well. Right, and you have a table view with a list of items. Now in this table view, it only shows up to 100 items. Alright, so let's say you search pens and there's 200 items. It shows up to 100 items, and it shows and it's ordered by the highest customer rating. So the products with the highest customer ratings are the ones that come up first. Right? You can also swipe left to add items to multiple items to cart in an easier way than just going to the items page. Right? So let's say you've tapped on an item and you want to go to the items page. This is what will come up. You'll see a name, the title of the item, an image. They will, depending on the item, if it has more than one image, you will get more than one image to view, and you can slide through. Right, you see a little description of the item, the price, and you can add it to cart. You can also check my cart, go back, or log out. Alright, now if you're a first time user of the app, it wouldn't say log out at the top here, it will say log in instead. Alright. Now, after adding an item to cart and you choose to check out, you can go to the My Cart page, which brings you here. Right, it displays a table view with your items. You can swipe left to delete the items, and you can scroll through this. If you have over 50 items in your order, that's not a problem. It will not push the UI off the screen. It will just end up in this table view where you can slide through. Right, now it displays the total price, credit card to choose, and the collection options. Now first, if you're a first time user, the app will ask you to enter your credit card information. So you'll have to put your name on the card. You can give the card a name, that is an optional, a billing address, the card number, the month, the year, the CVV code, and you can save the card. Now when entering the credit card number, if you misplaced, let's say there's 12 characters you need to put in, and you've put in 13, it will say you have one more character than necessary. If you put in 12, it will say you have one less character than necessary. Alright, now when choosing a credit card, if you're a first time user, you will just see new add a credit card. If you're not a first time user, you will see a name of a credit card come up. That will be the default will be the last credit card you've used. Alright? And it will be the same for the collection option. The default will be the last collection option that you've used. Right? So let's say you want to go for in-store pickup. You click in-store pickup and you tap this, you see a map view with a list of directions and a store with a list of stores. You tap the store you tap whichever store you select, either on the map view or in the list, to select where would you like to pick up your items. Right now you can also request delivery, but delivery will only be for items over $100. And it will ask and it will also come up with the default if you want to use the default credit card address that you've just used or recently used, or if you'd like, you can add an address or change it. Alright, now let's go to the My Account screen. Right, that's this one here. This screen now has a recent orders section with a table view, and you can slide through your orders. If your order is more than one item, you will see an order number with a date of that order. If you tap the order, it will take you to a page with a table view with just a list of items. Just a list of the items that you've had. Right? And the same with the credit card. It takes you to a list of credit cards that you use. You can click this plus to add the credit card, or you can swipe left to delete. Now in the contact us, it displays the contact information of the closest store nearest to you. So if you need anything, you can always go there or call there first. Alright, now as we're on the account page, now let's say you would like to log out and you press log out. There will be a confirmation message coming up asking you if you're sure you want to do this. If you click yes, you will be logged out, and you can, if not, when you tap the My Account page, when you tap the My Account page, all these buttons, as I say, if you're a first time user, all these buttons will say login instead of log out. Right? Now if you tap the My Account page and you do not have an account, it will a prompt will come up and say you do not have an account, would you like to create one? Alright, so let's say you look to create an account, you enter your email, you create an account here, enter email, name and password. The password must be of 8 characters and 1 letter, and you can type create an account. Now let's say you decide to log out and you want to log back in, you just type in your email, your password, and you log in. Now if you've forgotten your password, you can click this and an email will be sent to you with a randomly generated password so you can re-enter your account. Right. Now the Find a Store page. Now the Find a Store page will give you a map view with directions to the nearest store closest to you, and you can always choose the store from a drop-down menu. They'll be ordered by range, so the closest store to you will be first, and so forth. Alright? And now also, I've made a lot of changes from last week's video, and I'd like to show you a little bit. I did some tablet and portrait and landscape designs. Let's take a look at those. Alright? Now these are the tablet designs. I've added a create account button at the front here because I've had more space. I have more real estate to work with. The app basically functions the same way. As you can see, search, filter, the categories, and so on. Alright, now there's another difference here, that in the item information section, it displays more information about the item, and there's also a number in stock inside of here and a customer rating inside of here. Alright, now if you click a customer rating, it will take you to this customer page where you can write a review, and you can also take a look at others who have written reviews, and you can click submit. Now the others who have written reviews will be displayed in table views. Alright, now alright, so you'll be good to go. Alright, and you can see the purchase page functions similarly. The My Accounts page functions similarly. Enter the credit card, create an account, the map view with directions, and the logo page all function very similarly. Now let's take a look at the landscape version. The landscape version has six boxes and has 6 buttons instead. There is now a Rate Us button, which will rate the app on the App Store. If you click that, it will take you It's an app on the App Store. But as you can see, the app basically functions very similarly, just to the other one. As you can see, it's just the layout may be slightly different. As you can see here, the search filter, and you go to the side, and you can see here how the items are displayed. You can also swipe left to add to cart immediately. You can check the items. Same here, if you click the ratings, you will end up in the ratings page, which will be here. Alright, and you can also come to the purchase page. Now the purchase page will be scrollable, so there will be a purchase button at the bottoms, as you can see by the scroll bar indicator. And the items will also be scrollable as well. And the same options apply for the credit card and collection options. Alright, you can see the same here as the name on card. If you enter your card around, the same functionality applies. And you can go here and see the same functionality applies. And so the app is basically a lot similar on the tablet as it is on the phone. Alright everyone, I'd like to thank you all for watching, and take care. Have a good day. Bye bye.